Welcome to the second half. We are on the third 9 weeks review, chapter 8, working with some similarity. In the diagram, ADAE, DAE is similar to BAC. Find the length of EC. So we're trying to find this little piece right here. All right, these are two similar triangles. So I can even do part to part if I want to. Excuse me. So I can say 6, 8, x, and 10. You could also go part to whole if you wanted. But if I say 6 over 8 equals x over 10, 8x equals 60. 7.5. Determine whether the triangles are similar. All right, so it looks like it's going to be a side angle side deal, if anything, but it could still be a not similar. So let's see. Okay, so 48 is the short on, we got two different triangles here, right? We got this triangle and we got that triangle. So 48 is the short one on the blue. 12 is the short one here. So 12 over 48 equals 13 over 52. Again, not the only way to set this up, just the way I happen to do it. Let's see if this ends up being equal. 12 over 48, 0.25. 13 over 52, 0.25. Yep. So it is SAS. Side, angle, side. Two triangles have a ratio of 3 to 5. So their ratio is 3 to 5. The height of the larger triangle is 24 inches. Okay, well, which is larger, 3 or 5? 5. So large is going to go on the bottom. So I have large triangle on the bottom and then small triangle on top. So that is what we're looking for. We got a small triangle and a large triangle. So I've got 24 times 3 divided by 5 is 14.4. Module trunk. Okay, so I'm going to say long over wide, just so I can keep my mouth straight. 13.5 long over 7.5 wide. The OG truck is 12 feet long, and I'm looking for feet, so I can leave it as feet. So 7.5 times 12 divided by 13.5. That's a hot mess. I got 6.6 repeating. Let's see. 20 divided by 3, 6.6 repeating. A. The ratio of a side length of ABC, okay, is 3 to 1. DEF. So this is 3, this is 1. It's a ratio. So that means EF is this one. So that means I need to divide by 3 to get down there. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. And then AC, ooh, it's a right triangle. I got to do some math here. Well, AB is a little easier. So I know this one is going to be times 3. So I know AB is going to be 3. Nope. 3 times 3. 9. All right. So now let's do a little bit of math. AC, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 9 squared plus 18 squared equals C squared. That's my C. So 9, I'm on my cell phone. It's a little harder to do. 9 squared, 81, plus 18 squared is 405. The square root of 405 is 20.1. I hope that is right. I need a better calculator. Find the scale factor of the figures. Okay. So it always gives me my new one second. Start with old. So I have old new. We're getting bigger. It needs to be bigger than 1. So it looks like, okay, there's nothing at the 10, so that doesn't help me any. I was trying to see, like, 10 is usually easy math. And then there's nothing at the 6, so that doesn't help me any. So the only one that I can use is my 2 and my 5. So 5 over 2 is my scale factor. All right, these two are similar. Find x and y. Alrighty. These are parallel, which means I can go part to part. That part is 8. So it looks like I went to go 8 to 4 is divided by 2. So I can go times 2. Y is going to be 10. You can also set it up with a proportion. So the other way I could have solved that is like 5 over 4 equals y over 8. And you're going to cross multiply, gets you 40 divided by 4 is 10. So now I know y is 10. And then x, because that base is the whole base of my big triangle, that 9, I'm going to use the 12 because it's the entire triangle. So I'm going to say 9 over 12 and x over 8. So we've got 9 times 8 divided by 12 gives me 6. 5 to 15. Yeah, 15 to 10. That makes sense. Given the triangles are similar, which of the following is not a correct statement? All right. KF, KF. Those go together. We're good. Okay. GE and ML. Blank to 2, blank to 2. We're good. GF blank to 1 and MK blank to 1. Yep, that works. All right, keep going. KF, we already done that one. FEG. FEG is 1, 2, blank. And then KLM, 1, 2, blank. Okay, that one's right, so it's got to be this last one. I got to erase all this or else I can't see what I'm looking at. M to L is 0 to 2, and then FG, ooh, this isn't making sense. These don't match. These don't match. Those are not corresponding. And then I have KL 1 to 2 and FE 1 to 2. Yeah, this is the mistake. That's the one that does not work. That is not a correct statement. Come back for the second half of multiple choice.